What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, me and my friend Caleb, we are gonna go wakeboarding for the first time in the ocean. So we are both very nervous because it's super cold out today. Everyone has their jackets on, except me right now because I'm trying to prepare myself for when I get in the water. But I'm super excited. Let's go. Yeah, someone gave this to us.
Dude, this thing's gonna be hard as hell, and it's heavy as hell.
Me and Caleb were about to get in the water, about to go wakeboarding behind the boat. The water is probably, I know this water is colder than the spring water because the manatees go to the spring water because it's warmer. Probably like 60 degrees. Who wants to go first?
You? Okay, shoot up, I like this.
I'm gonna smack a pole.
What?
I'm gonna hit a pole.
You let go of the
You
rope.
cold, Collie?
Hit a pole. The wetsuit's like already like dripping wet.
Good luck, bud. Are you cold, Alyssa?
That's all I'm here for.
Dude, is it wet inside?
Yes, it's soaking wet. Oh, it's so cold. Someone's hit me up. Go.
Go. Go.
It's really cold. Caleb, it's your turn.
Oh, that was good.
Oh my god, that was so much fun. Y'all.
You look like you're having a great time.
My body was literally so sore just holding onto it.
I figured the thing would sink. Hold up, I'm all tied up. Okay. All right.
Caleb, how'd you like it?
It was fun. I just wish it was a little warmer and I'd try it more. At least I got up.
You did good.
I mean, you got up every time, just about.
You both killed it, I guess.
Yeah. I had a time of my life. I can't believe we both did it.
Never seen it before.
Yeah. I thought getting up was gonna be the hardest part.
The water on the rope.
Yeah.
Well, technically it was.
No, it was because, like, for me it was, at least. Getting up was the hardest part.
I think I'm leaning too much forward when I go over the wave.
Yeah.
Lean back.
Going over that one little wake, like getting outside of the boat wake, like it's harder to get back on it because that's the first time I fell, or I guess the second time I fell, is when I went outside the boat wake and then tried to come back inside.
Oh, y'all say cheese.
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 Oh, that was fun.